Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Everyone is staying home and staying safe and healthy during this time of quarantine. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my flat twist out on my natural hair. This style is really quick and really easy to do, and it can last for a couple of days depending on how well you maintain it at night. So as you can see here, I am just parting my hair on the side. I like side parts better than middle parts on me personally. So I'm just doing that to find the part where I like my hair to split. And I'm not very good at parting my hair straight on the very first try, so as you can see, I'm getting it together. So now I'm just taking my comb and parting my hair into the sections that I would like my twist to lay. And I like having my sections kind of big because I like my curls to be bigger curls. I don't want really small tight curls. I want like bigger fluffy curls. So I do my sections kind of big, and then I'm just sectioning away the rest of my hair. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to use is by Bella Curls. It is their Jamaican black castor oil hair butter, and this stuff smells so good. It makes your hair super soft. A lot of hair butters don't really work for me, but this one does, and it's really cheap. You can get it from the dollar store for like $5. So now I'm just going to grab my Denman brush and brush out my curls and just give them a little bit more defined. You can take really any brush for this. I just like to do this after I apply my butter or leave-in conditioner before I go on top with my gel or curling cream. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to use is by Bella Curls as well. It is their Coconut Curl Defining Cream. I love this product. It makes your curls look really defined, and this mixed with the hair butter makes your curls like moisturized for days. Like I can put this in my hair even for my wash and go, and maybe even a week later my hair and my curls are still soft and super defined and smells really good. So now I'm just going to start flat twisting my hair down to my scalp, and I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not any professional. This is basically all I really know how to do besides French braid. So yeah, I'm just flat twisting it down to my hair, and this is what I'm basically going to do to my entire head. So this is basically all I do for my twists, and I'm just going to do this all over my entire head. And here I'm just doing a little length check to see how long my hair has gotten. And yeah, I'm just going to speed through the clips now that you see what I'm going to do, and I'll check back in with you guys later.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this was the last twist, and so this is what it looks like when you are all done. And this look isn't that bad to where you can't just pull it back into a ponytail and run errands if you have to. I like to leave this in usually for about 2 days. Sometimes if I want like extra curl, I'll wrap them up with like a flexi rod or a curling rod, but this time I just left it loose, and this is what it looks like, and I will be back in 2 days to show you guys the results. So yeah. Okay guys, so it is now 2 days later and we are ready to take out our twists, but you want to make sure that your twists are fully dry, because if they are not, then they can come out looking kind of like damp and just like straggly. So now I'm just taking them out, and I do recommend using an oil and just putting them on your fingertips and like on your hands before you start untwisting your hair. It can just help you not disturb the curl pattern too much, just to reserve it as long as you possibly can. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and oh my goodness, it turned out looking really cute. Like, this is one of the best twist outs I've done so far, to be honest. So yeah, if you guys like this video, just be sure to give it a like and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more hair related videos like this one. And yeah, have a great day. Remember, be safe, take care of yourself, and take care of your family. And yeah, bye.